Which type of bond involves the transfer of electron between atoms? Option B. Ionic bond. What is the term for the study of the behavior of light? Option A. Optics. What is the process by which an object becomes charged? Option D. All of the above. Ionization, electrolysis, charging by induction. Which type of mirror is used to focus light ray to a single point? Option B. Concave mirror. Which type of wave has a frequency higher than visible light? Option C. Ultraviolet radiations. What is the process by which organisms produce offspring? Option C. Reproduction. Which scientist developed the polio vaccine? Option A. Jonas Salk. Which scientist discovered penicillin? Option A. Alexander Fleming. Which type of rock is formed from the alteration of existing rocks? Option C. Metamorphic. What is the process by which an organism's genetic information is passed from one generation to the next? Option D. Heredity. What is the process by which organisms adapt to their environment? Option A. Natural selection. What is the term for the study of the structure, behavior, and evolution of the universe? Option A. Cosmology. What is the term for the study of the behavior of object in motion? Option A. Mechanics. What is the term for a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler big substance by chemical means? Option A. Element. What is the term for a mixture of two or more substances in which the composition is uniform? Option A. Solution. Which scientist discovered the law of conservation of mass? Option A. Anthony Lavoisier. What is the term for a substance that donates a proton? Option A. Acid. What is the unit of measurement for power? Option A. Watt.